Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do something a little different. It's something that we recorded on Friday. I don't know if you paid attention to Friday's video, but GuitarmageddonZL1 was here with his Silverado and we did a big brake kit. He did finally post the drive, but it wasn't the full drive. I'm just going to post the full unedited drive where we might drop some foul language and some other things. So you'll want to, this is probably not work safe, but it's not that bad. Let's be honest, we're all adults here, aren't we? Anyway, without further ado, let's take the Silverado, the GuitarmageddonZL1 Silverado, out on the street and burnish the brakes.
Wow, these brakes are tight.
That's what she. Well, no, it's.
So we got
that's what he
30
said.
miles an hour and slam on the brakes, right?
Don't hit any cars, especially not that white one. It's been through. My cars have been through enough.
All right. Let's see, can I get to 30 miles an hour? Oh,
Yeah.
This truck isn't slow.
Yeah, but then there's cars behind
Of
you.
course, there's cars behind me. Yeah.
Oh my God, are we gonna slam on the brakes with cars behind us? Oh man, he's speeding up.
How much? What's moderate braking like?
That felt like, oh shit.
Is that good?
That might be a little, like I'd start easier.
Right,
That was not. My foot wasn't that far down though.
you're not even seatbelted in back there.
Yeah, I'm.
You could go flying through the.
I know it's gonna be awesome.
All right, we're there now.
Go right up to the stop sign.
Yeah.
At the stop sign.
Yep. Can't miss it. It's blinking. Like we're coming in.
Sorry, we're definitely coming in hot.
That's what it said to do.
Right. You're not even.
Yeah, you're not even listening.
He's too busy looking at the girls over there.
They're girls? They were fucking 5 years old!
Yeah, that's.
You
that's
pedophile.
your legs.
That's Guitarmageddon.
This is what you were talking about doing that?
Yeah, like back
Yeah,
in the day.
Guitarmageddon exposed, likes
So
the
what are you
petties.
supposed to do, like, just
How old's
carry
Lauren
on?
compared to you?
Moderate brake.
There you go. That's moderate. That's definitely moderate. Good job. There's a car coming behind you. And don't
Then
come
you
to a
let them cool
complete.
down.
Don't come to a complete
Yeah,
stop.
That wasn't hard enough to get him hot, but
You don't come to a complete stop.
Nah.
Why?
it said to come to a complete stop.
I did.
Yeah.
What? Man.
That's what GM said, man.
Why?
Okay, that's
Look,
weird.
There's 3 cars following me on this back road.
This was a bad decision.
Yeah.
Just get out there and tell them they're
Holy
not allowed to drive here.
Oh, there's a stop
Wait,
sign.
what?
Good.
What's going
Thank
on up
God.
here?
Oh God, you're both petties.
I feel like I'm barely on the
To
brakes.
race. I mean, I'm sure they're pushing.
Do you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying to brake moderately, but like I don't know if that's like barely braking. Like, what's all the way down?
I don't know. We're gonna find out. Aren't we?
Yeah.
I'll be in the front seat. It's gonna be hilarious.
Maybe we can just crash into that building. That's cool.
I feel like burnishing the brakes is really just driving normal for me.
Yeah, probably.
You know what I mean? Like, I don't know how.
But they want you to get a little bit of heat in them, so
Yeah, I feel like it's a little too cold to get a lot of heat.
stop her.
Okay.
That was good.
They stop those.
Yeah, they do. Which way?
Oh, right. There's a car coming.
Jesus Christ.
This guy behind us is like, what is this fucking
He's beeping at you.
beep at me one more time, you dick fuck. Oh, I thought that was cops. There's an ambulance.
You're gonna have to put the dick fuck on video.
Oh shit. The brakes stop working like right now.
Like we're coming in hot behind cars and 2 stop signs.
What am I supposed to do? Is he supposed to burnish him? I'm supposed to fucking put him on like a grandpa.
You're supposed to do it in areas where you have room for error. There was no room for error there.
There was plenty of room for error.
Lady would have got out of that car and beat your ass.
I'd have been like,
She would have just drove across the street,
The room for error
right
would've
to
been
the
like-
hospital,
it would've been
because
like
that's where we
literally
are.
around the car that way.
Yeah, you know, if you
Right to the emergency room.
Yeah.
Emergency room's right there.
Yeah.
Which way are we going?
Right.
Of course, again behind this lady, and then behind the guy that's beeping at me.
Is he still behind us?
Yeah, he's still. No,
Oh, he's gone! He's gone!
Oh, he's gotta go to the hospital.
I mean, I have a better road to do this. Just keep going straight. We'll go by my daycare.
Oh, yeah, that'll work. Well,
There's a car stopping right here. Burnish the brakes!
That's what we're supposed to do, right?
yeah, crap, this thing's hot.
We're supposed to get them hot and shit.
Ooh.
Wow. I was barely on the. That was like half.
I can't wait till you have a big fucking mark on your forehead. Just like, I saw a squirrel, and I have a concussion now.
I love this. I fucking love good brakes because I love stopping hard. I hate coming to a stop really slow. I just hate it. I don't know why. Maybe I should. Which way we go?
Straight.
Maybe I should have been a freaking road course racer, not a drag racer, because I love stopping really hard.
There's still time. It turns a little bit. Just FYI, douchebag. Jesus Christ. And that's a 90-degree turn at the end there. Dude, there's nobody behind you. Dude, fucking stop. Stop. I mean, this was a perfect thing. There was nobody behind you, but you fucking squandered it.
Oh, I'm supposed to come to a complete stop, aren't I?
I haven't done any complete stops.
Yeah, you're like,
Why do they want you to
You're
come
just-
to a complete stop?
I don't know. That's what the instructions say. Are you gonna come to a stop? Nah, fuck that shit. My name's GuitarmageddonZL1. I don't know what stopping is.
That's a complete stop.
Yeah, because you don't have anywhere to go.
The cops
You can
follow
probably
me.
go left and then left.
The cop is like, "What are you doing?" I'm like, "Well, let me tell you something right now.
My name's GuitarmageddonZL1, and I have a YouTube channel.
First off, I have 260 pounds.
Ah, we're gonna die.
Jesus Christ.
Fucking person came up all quick. Which
We
way?
did left.
Left.
Normally I would jump the light, but I like stopping.
Should not have gotten this truck with him.
I know. I'm regretting my decision to not wear a seatbelt.
Well, you're back there in the.
I'm in the
not
safe
very large
space.
seat.
I'm in the safe space.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay, good. I would not want to have to rely on footage from Andrew's Google Pixel 3.
It's excellent. It's recording in 60 frames a second right now.
Oh, he's flashing you.
Flashing me.
Yo.
Thanks, boss.
He knows I'm burnishing brakes. That's why. He's oh fuck.
There was red, so some lady too.
Well, you know what? There's a little place where you can go up here. After this building, you can make a right, and it's like Ice Skate Drive or some shit like that.
See, it says 25 mile
Yeah, there's a right, like,
Where?
coming up. And it's coming up. That one right there, the Lawrence Drive. I said Ice Skate Drive.
Lawrence.
Yeah, and this road like dead ends, so barely anybody comes down here. You can do your shit right here, right now.
I'm only going 20.
Come on.
730. Hey, look, huge building for lease. Why don't we get that place? It's got
Probably
Icor Fitness and Ninja Warrior.
probably money. Wait, Ninja Warrior?
Yeah, it says Ninja Warrior obstacle training.
What? Oh my! Where?
Oh, like American Ninja Warrior.
Yeah, the place.
Fuck! I want to do it.
Wait, there's a hockey place back here too?
Nick, stop!
I didn't know any of this stuff existed.
All right.
Oh, we can do donuts back here.
So we gotta stop here.
Well, yeah, otherwise you're gonna run that sign.
Okay, let's turn around and do it again.
It stops really good. I like it. Nice firm stop.
That's good.
No weirdness. No.
How many times did we do that?
Well,
How many times do we have to do it?
20 times.
Yeah, you said 20 times.
We probably did it what? Maybe
10.
5, 10 times.
There's a car. Stop.
Squirrel! Yeah, look. Icor Fitness.
Ninja Warrior.
Ninja Warrior.
Fuck.
Like,
Stop.
crashing the camera into it.
What's that like? Hump?
That's the diff.
Huh?
Back it up.
It's a locking diff, isn't
Don't
it?
mind us. Don't mind us.
Yeah, we don't even work here.
It's like it catching up with itself when you come to a stop really fast. It's really weird.
That is really
Truck
weird.
is, it's like a slinky.
Yeah. Like Davenport, when I first drove the truck, he's like, "Yep, you're gonna feel that every single time. You stop like hard."
That is weird.
Yeah.
The Chevy dude.
Look at
His channel has blown
Looks
up.
like an old grocery store.
All 30 miles an hour, and hit the brakes.
Gotta hit the brakes, turn the wheel,
Donut time.
pull the e-brake. Oh wait, now you step on the e-brake, right?
Yeah, but good luck releasing that quick enough.
Watch out for this car, and that car, and all the cars. There's another car.
Where?
Right there.
Damn it.
That was stupid! You could have waited! You're an impatient motherfucker, Nick.
Shit hell.
Oh man, now you're sandwiched. Just turn in here. Drop me off at Ninja Warrior. Lay behind us.
No, fuck.
Make a right. Make a right into Ninja Warrior. I want to see this place. One way, do not enter.
You told me to make a right.
Make another right.
One way, do not enter.
You're gonna get arrested.
Where's it at?
It's right there.
This place.
High intensity interval training. What else we got? Fucking obstacle course. I want to do this. Spartan something. It's a Spartan Touch Battle Ninja. I don't know what that means. I can't see the rest of the roads. We're good. We can go. Back to burnishing.
The lady was really confused that we were parked behind her car.
Yeah, like slammed on my brakes and parked back there.
Scared. What are you doing?
Like, this guy's lost. Just like, if the police come, just be like, I'm looking for Complete Street Performance, and I can't fucking find them.
And I have a hoodie.
Yeah. I came all the way from Harrisburg.
Like, where did you get this hoodie from? Well,
In the mail. I won it in a contest.
Stop a little faster. Oh God.
I felt the ABS kick on though.
Yeah.
Pull the fuse. Let's
I mean, I could
bulb these
go
tires.
real fast and stop if you want to try it.
I mean,
Right
I'm
up
game.
here.
I got my seatbelt on. I'm fine.
I'm cool. Until you hit something, I'm pretty sure I'll be able to handle what you do.
Wait till someone's like pulling out and slamming their brakes. So they'll be like, what?
All right, we're gonna do a stop from what mile an hour?
50.
That's not gonna be fun.
Like a 5,000-pound truck. Okay, do it now. Wow!
Holy
that was awesome!
What?
Let's go back to the shop.
What? I did not expect that. Dude,
That
thing
stops
is
like a car.
dick.
That's impressive.
Yeah.
Yeah. Almost. No, I should have.
No,
Yeah.
I'm not thinking about it now.
Well, some of this is on my feet. I think they're burnished good now.
Probably. Let's get out of here before the cops come.
What are you gonna do? Sir, you were excessively stopping. I wasn't speeding, I was stopping really fast. Can you get fined for that? Here.
Yes, you can actually.
Chick-fil-A. Oh, there's nothing in there.
We've only left.
Yes, very much left.
Wow.
That was impressive.
Yeah.
It says aggressive traffic enforcement area.
Yeah. I don't know who's driving aggressively here.
Aggressive braking enforcement area. That means you have to hit the brakes aggressively. Yeah, big shout out to Chevy Performance for making some killer ass brakes.
I might have to make this an entire video and post it tonight.
Get it done before Nick.
Damn right. Thanks for watching, guys.
Right, isn't it?
Adios.
Right.
What did it do?
Stop.
Just stop recording.
Yeah.
Yeah, hit record again.
Yeah, you can get this footage.
Yep.
Well, the footage you see here, you can get a better
Yeah.
angle from Complete Street.
If you're not doing, if you're just recording for a while.
Dude, I'd totally have a better angle.
So,
So you'll be
yeah,
wanting
these
this.
are definitely worth it. These are definitely a pretty sweet upgrade, I must say. You don't really, oh God, you don't really notice the stopping power until you actually get on it. Like just normal braking, it's not much different than it was before until I start to then get on the brake more, and it's like way noticeable. Especially there, dude. We came to a stop from 50, like a car.
Yeah, no, it was awesome. It was very impressive. I got to say, you finally stopped better than my hybrid.
Hybrid's touchy though.
Yeah, it
First,
is.
Like, if you drive that, first time I drove that, I about put my face through the windshield. Like, it's really touchy.
You can stop recording.
Yeah, well, we're talking about hybrids, and now we have to stop recording?
Yeah.
You fucking racist bigot.
Yeah.
Apparently, I hit my trunk button.
Do you hear that? Like,
Yeah, I hear it.
do you know what that is?
Nope. Odd noise. I wonder how long that trunk's been open.
You don't have any big tree trunks from?
I mean, over
Yeah,
there
they're
in the
open.
woods.
Oh, is there
You
one?
want to take some?
My dad wants one.
We'll fucking take them. Okay, I'm gonna stop videoing now.
I wonder how it'll be in reverse.
Let me find it. My head goes right through the fucking glass back here.
Dude, it's like, yeah, stopping in reverse is like launching your car.
It doesn't.
You know what I'm saying? You're just like, yeah.
You need the big,
Well, that's because
big brake rear kit.
Yeah, because there's no rear brakes.
Yeah. Okay. Get some wood.
No. Okay.
Look at that. Look at all that wood.
Oh fuck. Oh hell yeah.
Yeah.
there's some fairly large ones there.
That's what she said. I finally got it. And that's how we're going to frame this from the beginning to end. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Tomorrow I have a great update for you guys who've been paying attention to the tree debacle. This is a very important update. You won't want to miss it. So with that said, adios.